recently introduced you to Mr. Gadra from Bali, who took part in my scientific research. Just a reminder, he's 62 years old, and nearly every morning he runs for 50 minutes and does 30 minutes of gymnastics. He appears much younger than his age. I conducted an extensive anamnesis and discovered that Mr. Gadra smoked for 16 years, severely impacting his health. Then I carried out several physical tests. These included body composition analysis, saliva composition analysis, blood biochemistry, metabolic parameter analysis, as well as examinations of the respiratory system and heart muscle when resting and under strain. We were stunned by the results. His heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and recovery speed after exercise matched the indicators of a healthy 35-40-year-old man with good physical condition. The analysis of his body composition corresponds to that of a 47-year-old. The measures of pure water in his intercellular fluid are better than 87% of young people, as there is virtually no intoxication. The acid-base balance and saliva viscosity are at the ideal level for a 35-year-old man. The biochemistry of the blood is according the norm for a 40-year-old man, even under stress. The respiratory system functions are at the norm for a 45-year-old. In other words, it seems that a 62-year-old man is living in a 40-year-old's body. I think Mr. Gadira is a unique person, not unique because he was born lucky, but because when he realized that his body was deteriorating, Gadira undertook a whole series of measures to correct his condition, and as you can see, he managed to. I believe many people would be interested in what exactly these measures were, and also most likely, some are now contemplating starting running in the morning, as Gadira does. So I must warn you, it's not advisable to do this, otherwise, instead of improving your health, you might end up damaging it. While Gadira's lifestyle contributes to his good health, we must remember that we aren't Mr. Gadira, so it's important not to just blindly follow his example, even if it's a positive one. In our next video, Mr. Gadira and I will share his secrets of youth, activity, and vitality. I've temporarily left my home in the mountains, wild forests, and ancient temples of Taiwan to bring you this information. The follow-up to Gadira's story will be released soon, but for now, I want you to think about how a 62-year-old man